Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start on the console, sign into the profile you want the theme on, and confirm live access. Once signed in, open Settings My Xbox and choose Themes. Make sure a USB flash drive is connected and formatted for Xbox storage. This lets you move or backup content. Now browse the available themes in the Marketplace section on your console. Beginning here assures the console recognizes the files and lets you download directly. Follow on-screen prompts to pick a theme and start the transfer. Once you choose a theme, press Get or Download and confirm the destination as your profile or the connected USB device. If you prepared files on a PC, place them in a Visual Themes folder on the drive, then plug into the Xbox and use Settings System Storage to locate the USB content. Move the theme package to your console hard drive or profile storage. Moving ensures the theme appears in My Xbox and won't disappear when you sign out. This step guarantees the console can apply the visuals properly. Now apply the theme from Settings My Xbox theme and confirm the new look. If the theme isn't listed, sign out and back into Xbox Live, then verify the storage move succeeded. Sometimes items stay on USB instead of the profile. If installs fail, clear the system cache and storage settings and retry downloading directly on the console. One key troubleshooting tip: if a theme still won't install, redownload while connected to Live and ensure your profile license the content so the console can play and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.